Okay, so I have been asked to make a turban video on the turban that's on my head. A funny story, I don't actually know how I did it. I just wrapped things on my head and they just turn out okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unwrap it and then try to rewrap it. So even if I fail the rewrapping, you got the unwrapping. So this turban has no pins whatsoever. Okay, so my hair showed, so we had to crop that. First thing I do is make a bun as high as I can on my head. And then have them pretty even. Then I'm gonna X them up here. I realize how hard it is to make a turban video. It's so much easier to make it when there's not pressure. Okay, this is how I get like this V shape. Okay, then I pull it really tight. Then I wrap this around and tuck it in. Okay, then you have this. And then I just tuck this into the back. And then I just sit there and I fix any mistakes that there are. And that's it. That is my turban.